Hello guys, welcome back. Myself, Swarup Sarjini. In this video, we see what is structure, its syntax with example. What is structure? Structure in a C is a user-defined data type that enables us to store the collection of different data types. Each element of structure is called a member. Syntax. Struct is a keyword, structure name, opening curly bracket, data type member 1, semicolon, data type member 2, semicolon, up to data type member n, semicolon, closing curly bracket, semicolon. Here we give semicolon to the closing curly bracket. Example, struct student, opening curly bracket, int roll number, semicolon, char name. Here we give size, float mark, semicolon, closing curly bracket, so semicolon. Declaring structure variable. There are two methods to declare a structure variable. First, by struct keyword with main function. Example, void main, opening curly bracket, struct student s1, s2, semicolon, closing curly bracket. Second, by declaring a variable at the time of defining a structure. Example, struct student, opening curly bracket, int roll number, char name, size, float marks, semicolon, closing curly bracket, s1, s2, semicolon. Accessing member of structure. There are two ways to access the structure member. First, by dot operator. Second, by structure pointer operator. What is a flag? Flag is a variable that acts as a signal for a function or process. The value of flag is used to determine the next step of program. Flag contains boolean value 1 or 0. Here let's see algorithm for C program to hold library details. Step 1, start. Step 2, create structure of library. Step 3, declare structure variable and I. Step 4, for I equal to 0 to 3. Here we use for loop to enter all data of books. Step 5, for I equal to 0 to 3. Here we again use for loop to display the data of books. Step 6, stop. C program to hold library details. First, hash include stdio.h, then hash include conio.h. This is the header file. Then struct library, opening curly bracket, int accession number, semicolon, char title of 13, then char author of 13. Here we give size to the variable, then int price, semicolon, int flag, semicolon. This is the data type members. We already see syntax for structure. And here we give semicolon to the closing curly bracket, then void main, opening curly bracket. There are two methods to declare a structure variable. Here we use first method with main function, struct library L of 3, semicolon. Here we declare L variable and here we give size 3, then int I, semicolon. Here we declare again integer type variable I, then clear screen. For I equal to 0, semicolon, I less than 3, semicolon, I plus plus. Here we use for loop to enter the data of books, opening curly bracket, printf, enter the accession number of book, printf is a output function and scanf is an input function. Scanf, double quote, %d, comma, ampersand of L of I dot accession number. Here we use dot operator to the access structure member, and here accession number is a structure member. Here we use dot operator to the accession number, then semicolon, printf, enter the title of book, scanf, double quote, %s. Here we use %s because title is in the form of string, then semicolon, then ampersand of L of I dot title, semicolon. Printf, enter the name of author, scanf, %s, comma, ampersand of L of I dot author, then semicolon. Printf, enter the price of book, scanf, %d, comma, ampersand of L of I dot price. Printf, book is issued or not, scanf, %d, ampersand of L of I dot h. Here we use dot operator to the access the flag. What is flag? Flag is a variable that acts as a signal for a function or process. Flag is contain boolean type values 1 or 0. 1 is act as a true or 0 is act as a false. Then closing curly bracket. Then for I equal to 0, comma, for I equal to 0, semicolon, I less than 3, semicolon, I plus plus. Here we again use for loop to display data of books, opening curly bracket, printf, the accession number of book is %d, comma L of I dot accession number. Here we use again dot operator to the accession number. Then printf the title of book is %s, comma L of I dot title. Then printf the name of the author is %s, comma L of I dot author. Printf the price of book is %d, comma L of I dot price semicolon. If L of I dot flag equal to 1, here we use condition. If L of I dot flag equal to 1, then printf the book is issued, else printf book is not issued. Here we close printf body, then close for loop body, then get ch semicolon, then close our main program body. Here we compile our program. Here 0 errors. Then we run our program. Here we run our program. Enter the accession number of book, we enter 1. Enter the title of book, we enter PIC. Enter the name of author, we enter J.S. Khatre. Enter the price of book, we enter 200. Book is issued or not, we enter 1. Let's see output. This is the output of our information. The accession number of book is 1. The title of book is PIC. The name of author is J.S. Khatre. The price of book is 200. Book is issued.